thank you so much for coming in.
Yes,
Really
I'm glad I
appreciate
could get into your schedule.
Yeah, me too. So I wanted to start today to kind of explain what's going to happen and sort of what my role is. I know you know me as your instructor. You have
Yeah.
taken one of my classes. But in this conversation, I'm your faculty mentor.
Okay.
And what that means is I want to talk to you about your whole experience here at NWTC and you as sort of a whole person. So we're going to talk about more than just your academics, if that's okay with
Okay.
you.
Sure, yeah.
Okay, great. So how are your classes going so far?
Good. I'm passing, and I kind of sound surprised at that, but I would like to be doing better, but right now it's just the best I can do, so I'm just happy to be passing right now.
Okay. All right. Well, it sounds like, can you explain a little bit more about that? Like, is it commitments outside of school that's?
Well, I'm really trying to get this promotion at work, and I know I have to complete so many classes for the education part, but I have a lot of tests that I take in this current class, and it's causing me a lot of anxiety.
Okay. So it's just the one class where the test is causing you anxiety?
Yeah, I mean, it's every time I take a test, but this class specifically because there's more, it seems to be more tests than usual.
Okay. So I just want to kind of get a pulse on how much anxiety we're talking about. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being extreme stress, the night before the test, where are you on that scale?
Oh gosh, 7,
Okay.
almost an 8. I just get so restless, like I can't sleep.
You can't sleep.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So that to me says that, a lot of students have test anxiety. That's something that we see a lot.
Okay.
But I don't know that it's always that extreme. And so I wonder if you might be interested in talking to one of our counselors. And the reason I say that is because they have some strategies around test anxiety. They work with students on that topic very frequently.
Okay.
Because it is something that comes up a lot for our
Okay.
students. It's a transitional time in life for a lot of people, which often does manifest itself in stress. And I think it's really good that you've kind of pinpointed that it's test specifically that might be causing you
Oh,
stress.
yeah, it is.
Okay.
Mhm.
So I think that meeting with one of our counselors might give you some strategies to help you.
Okay. And is that right here on campus?
It's right here on campus.
Okay,
It's
good.
free.
Really?
And what I can do is put in a referral for you,
Mhm.
and then they will contact you and schedule an appointment.
Okay. Sounds great.
Oh,
Thank you
good.
for that.
Oh my gosh, yeah,
Mhm.
absolutely.
Good.
And going back to the work,
Mhm.
is that kind of what's, I like to ask all students, what's motivating you to be in school?
Mhm.
And would you say that's your main source of motivation?
Oh
or-
yeah, I really want to get this promotion at work, so.
Awesome. So that's what's kind of pushing you forward, and I just like to take note of that because each time I meet with you, I'd like to kind of talk about if that's still what's motivating you, because
Mhm.
motivation and when the goal is what pushes students to be as successful as they are.
That makes sense.
Yeah. So I'm really
Okay.
glad to hear that you have something very strong pushing you towards that goal
Yeah.
and getting you to come to class and all of those things. So
Mhm.
that's pretty impressive.
Okay.
So, just to summarize,
Mhm.
I'm going to put in a referral to our counseling department.
Okay.
They will reach out to you via email, so
Okay.
please be checking your NWTC email. Do you check that often?
I do, yeah.
Oh, great. And then you can schedule an appointment. They'll probably give you a number to call to schedule an appointment.
Okay.
And then what to expect when you get there, that first appointment, they'll just get to know you really well, and that's where you can share what's going on with you. And then you and the counselor can determine when and if you meet again.
Okay.
Okay?
Good. Thank
Right.
you.
You're welcome. So now let's talk about your classes for next semester.
Okay.
Okay.